Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you're here. This video is gonna be another artist vlog and I have several little projects in mind I wanna play with, so let's get started. Some time ago I wanted to paint a semi-realistic portrait but with colored pencils and I chose to paint Hyunjin. The thing is, he doesn't quite look like himself and I painted him in my junk journal. I mentioned it in one of my previous videos because the paper here is so good. And this is the drawing. As I said, he doesn't look like himself and I don't want to go it to waste, so I think I just make another junk journal scrapbooking kind of page. Here I have a couple of Stray Kids albums. I see if I can find something I want to use in this little project, so let's create. So here is all the stuff I could find. Some stickers from albums, some, I don't know, other random stickers. This is the drawing I made because it's, I don't know, it's just so cute and funny and unserious. I like that. I think I'm going for red color scheme, but I'm not sure yet. Well, let's see what I can come up with using all of that.
Your behavior is so bad!
Oh my god, you made a mess.
So I added a couple of drawings and some lyrics, also his iconic lines, and this is the result. Also, this sticker I made myself, as well as this one, and you can find them in my Redbubble shop. The link will be in the description box. And this is the result! I decided to stick to red, white and black color scheme. Also, I started listening to Stray Kids since God's Menu, so this is really fitting, I think. Yeah. And now on to the next project. Ha ha ha. I had such ambitious plans for that day, but I didn't accomplish almost anything beside that scrapbooking page with Hyunjin. Although I didn't record it, but I did work on another piece. I had this sketch for months now, and some time ago I worked on it a little bit, but it still wasn't finished. So I finally finished it on that day as well. And this is the completed drawing. It is my original character Lyra. She is the dream spirit and she protects people from nightmares and bad dreams by placing dream catchers all around the world. And this is the story I'm currently working on. Although working on is a bit of a bold statement. I don't sit and work on this story diligently every day, sitting for certain amount of hours and working. No, I think I just go with the flow, and whenever I have an idea for a sketch or maybe some word description, I just write it down or sketch it real quick, or if it's a completed idea in my mind, I put it on paper, on tablet and just work on it. But I don't have any schedule or deadline, I just enjoy the process of creating it. And this is what we're gonna do today as well. Lyra is not the only character in this story, there are more, and at some point they will need some masks to hide their identity. And right now I have 2 masks finished, you can see them here, and I still have to finish 2 more. So this is what I'm gonna work on now. For the fox mask, I already had a design for a while now. The other masks were a process of experimenting. Also, from time to time, I would forget that it's a mask and try to make a realistic drawing, although it's supposed to be decorative and stylized. So it definitely was a path of trial and error. The program I'm using is Autodesk Sketchbook, by the way. I didn't do it intentionally, but seeing the masks now, they kinda remind me of seasons of the year. Like the fox mask has colors of fall, the bunny mask resembles spring, I think the raven mask will remind of winter, and the cat mask has summer mood. I like this concept, but I'm not sure I will implement the relation to seasons into the story. Also, of course, not every day looks like this. Being an artist is a part of my life, not all of it. On some days, I finish a full rendered piece in one sitting. On other days, I make a teeny tiny little sketch and call it a day. Sometimes I don't pick up a pencil for days, and I accept this dynamic of mine. I know if I need to be disciplined and work on something every day, I can do so. Right now, though, I'm just enjoying the creating process and having fun. Another thing that was bugging me for a while is that after I finished the webtoon, I felt like the next thing I'm gonna draw has to be another big thought-through project. But who said that? I guess I kinda forgot what it feels like to draw just for myself without the pressure to show it to the world. And now I'm slowly remembering the pure joy of simple drawing. Alright, these are the finished masks for my characters. To be honest, I am a bit conflicted that the fox and cat masks have similar color. Maybe I will change it later, maybe not, but for now I am more than happy with the result. Lately I've been into making somewhat animated videos. I did a few with my characters from the webtoon Nightmare Hunters. If you haven't read it yet, feel free to. The link will be in the description box down below. And I'm working on another kinda animated video right now as well. Why I say kinda animated? Because I don't feel it is a real animation per se, but it's also more than just one image. So I don't know, is there a correct term for it? If you know, let me know too, please. So the video I'm working on right now is really funny, at least in my perception, and I think it's also very relatable. If I finish it before I finish this video, I will put it somewhere here so you can see it. And now I'm drawing in Clip Studio Paint. By the way, I'm using new brushes for me, as well as a new workflow. Usually after the sketch, I make a black outline, followed by flat colors, and then all the fun, like shades and details. But this time, I wanted to go for a bit of a messy look of a colored sketch. So I started with flat colors and shades, and did the outline as the last step of the drawing. Alright, I think that's it for this video. I hope you had some fun here with me today. If you're interested in more art-related content like this, feel free to join me here. Thank you so much for watching. Create and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!